Everything I see you is like that.
I'm doing my job in your...
You're doing my job. It's very good job.
I'm doing my job in your home, sir. What you want, I'm doing.
I'm doing. Explain. Explain. Don't excuse. Don't say anything. Okay, I will be careful. I will be do my best.
Tell me.
Don't say you everything. I'm wrong. I'm right. You are wrong. I'm right. I will say you is wrong.
Sorry, sir, if I do something wrong in your house. Sorry, sir. If I'm doing bad in your house, but I know.
What is doing like this?
Yeah, because what you are doing to me, and then my friend know. If you kill me, my friend will know. If you kill me, my friend will know.
If you kill me, my friend will know.
Mga kapenyo, tirahin na natin itong may init na issue ngayon. Pasok, intro! Hey yo, what's up sa inyo mga kapenyo? At today meron na naman tayo napaka-init na reaction video. Isa na naman concerned citizen o solid kapenyo natin ang nagpadala sa atin nito mga kapenyo. At dito isang kababayan na naman natin na OFW dito sa Hong Kong ang nag-live sa kanyang Facebook page para hindi siya makante o magalaw nitong kanyang galit na amo. At dito mga kapenyo, talagang nagtalo sila nitong kanyang amo, no? Kahit na alam naman natin yung kababayan natin nagpapakumbaba na, pero yung kanyang among inject talagang tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pananalita at galit na galit nga sa kanya. Kulang na lang sakalin itong si ate o saktan talaga kung hindi lang nakapag-live ito sa kanyang Facebook page. At buti na lang, napakatapang talaga nito ni ate na talagang kahit na nagagalit na yung kanyang amo sa kanyang harapan at sinisigaw-sigawan siya, nakuha pa rin sumagot neto ni ate at ikinakatuwiran din niya na talagang hindi siya nagkamali at ginagawa niya yung kanyang trabaho. At tara mga kapenyo, wag na natin patagalin at sabay-sabay natin panoorin kung paano nga umusok sa galit etong amo ng kababayan nating OFW na Pinay.
Holiday, I see this, I'm very angry.
I already tell to Madam 2 weeks later. I tell to Madam this one is not good. And Madam say, open the drainage. And then I say, I'm scared to open the drainage maybe because this one may be coming the leak, and then that's my problem. That's why before 1 year, before I open this one, too many dirty. Maybe like that in
It's
the...
like that.
Yeah, I tell to Madam.
Lazy.
Tamad daw.
Sorry sir, but I tell to Madam 2 weeks ago. I tell already.
Parang feeling ko nag-aaway sila sa drainage netong kitchen ng matanda, no? Na kung saan sinasabi ni ate dito na nilinis na nga daw niya yon 2 weeks ago. Pero hindi daw niya alam kung bakit nagganyan. Siguro bumara ulit o ano, kaya nagalit itong amo niya.
That I clean this one, sir.
Sinasabi na ni ate.
2 weeks, every 2 weeks, I do this one. Put hot water, I put the liquid, I put the baking soda.
You always put the thing inside. You do anything slow use.
No, sir. We have the drainage here. I throw every dirty, small dirty, I put.
Grabe mga kapenyo, no? Kita nyo naman yung isang kababayan natin na OFW o DH, talagang kita nyo naman, no? Napakahirap po talaga maging isang OFW o malayo sa kanyang pamilya. Kaya doon sa mga nagplano o nagbabalak, no? Na feeling nila napakadali lang sa ibang bansa, 10 beses nyo po talaga pag-isipan na maigi. Pera na lang kung talaga sobrang hirap na hirap kayo sa buhay at hikaos kayo. Yun, wala namang problema no? Para makatulong din tayo sa pamilya natin. Pero napakahirap po talaga mag-isang OFW sa totoo lang. Example na po, etong si ate na napapanood natin.
I throw here. So don't blame
Every
me.
time you need to witness, I kept take a camera, you see there's no talking. You everything you explain, excuse.
No, I am only explaining because I am doing good, sir. I'm not doing bad. That's why I'm explaining. Because I'm doing also how to move the water.
I also say if not like this, you are not coming. It's not like this. Why I angry to say to bring you? If no like this, why I bring you?
Galit na galit yung amo niya.
I don't know, sir, because that's not my problem.
Parang kung mapapansin nyo sa mga mata ni ate, no? Talagang halos maluwa-luwa na siya. No, sobrang hirap talaga maging isang kasambahay, Dahil minsan hindi mo maintindihan ng amo, minsan may okay na amo, minsan naman meron na hindi ka maintindihan, no? Yung katulad na lang na nangyayari ngayon dito, no? Talagang nakakaawa si ate.
I give you salary. You now you go.
No,
I give you the ticket to you. You go tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
You say you like this.
No,
You
sir.
behave like this.
No, sir. I'm just explaining my side, what I'm doing here in your.
You use your brain.
Yeah, I'm.
You
doing
see this?
here. That's my fault, sir.
I'm not going to say your fault. I told you to be careful.
Yeah, I'm be careful, sir. Because the drainage, maybe the long time drainage not be cleaning in your house.
Long time. You come in this long time.
No, I mean maybe this your drainage not cleaning before long time when I come. Maybe how many years this one drainage not finished? Maybe 10 years or I don't know. That's not my fault if your drainage not open, sir. So, sir, that is not my fault if your drainage not
Not your
working.
fault. Everything is not your fault. My fault. Okay?
that is
It's
not
my
my-
fault.
No, sir, no.
You also this is my fault.
No,
You also
sir.
give the cat eat. Means it's no. You don't give the cat to eat.
No, sir, that is not my fault. I'm not telling you my fault or your fault. No, no one can fault this one.
Grabe mga kapenyo, no? Sobrang hirap, no? Buti na lang talagang may Facebook Live na ngayon, no? Or may video na pwedeng makalaban, no? Yung ating mga kababayan sa ibang bansa. Gaya na lang nito mga kapenyo, sinasabi nga dito ni ate rin, no? Na kaya niya nagawang mag-FB Live dahil baka mamaya kung ano yung mangyari sa kanya o mapatay siya ng kanyang amo, at least yung kaibigan niya nakikita lahat na nangyayari at alam kung ano ang nangyayari sa kanya. Alam nyo, isa rin sa magandang sandata ngayon na mga kababayan natin, yung social media, sa totoo lang. Yan din yung nagiging sandata ngayon ng mga naaapi, no? Yung mga mahihirap ngayon sa atin, o kahit hindi mahirap, basta naargabyado, talagang napakaganda ng ganitong FB Live, mga kapenyo, kasi talagang at least, no, meron kang ebidensya kung ano man ang gawin o mangyari sa'yo.
No one fault this one, sir. If somebody...
Everything is lazy. Everything you know, I know you. When I come down, you do it to driving, make a noise. When I'm not coming, I'm small here. You are no sound. Everything I see you is like that.
I'm doing my job in your...
You're doing my job. It's very good job.
I'm doing my job in your home, sir. What you want, I'm doing.
I'm doing to explain.
Ngayon na, bumaba na yung asawa ata o anak ng matanda, mga kapenyo, no, na kung saan narinig na, no, na binubulyawan na itong matanda nga, itong si ate, no. Pero syempre, hindi pa rin natin alam yung talagang pinagmulan nito, no. Parang nag-aaway talaga sila doon sa drainage, na kung saan sinasabi ni ate na mukhang matagal na talagang hindi nalilinis yun. Kasi every 2 weeks nga raw, nilalagyan niya ng mga soap, mga kapenyo, ng mga sabon para bumaba etong bara ata.
Don't say anything. Okay, I will be careful. I will do my best.
Tell me
Don't say you everything. I'm wrong. I'm right. You are wrong. I'm right. I will say you is wrong.
sorry, sir, if I do something wrong in your house.
Ano yung sir?
Buti nga di
Sorry,
siya
sir.
sinasaktan
If I'm doing bad in your house, but I know.
What he's doing like this?
Yeah, because what you are doing to me, and then my friend know. If you kill me, my friend will know.
Your friend know what your friend doing. I'm not hitting you.
No.
I say blame you.
Kawawa naman din si ate, no? Kaya sabi nga niya, kung ano man gawin mo sa akin, kung patayin mo ko, at least alam ng kaibigan ko kung ano nangyayari sa akin. Which is, talagang kawawa naman talaga, nakakaawa yung mga kapwa natin na OFW.
I take a photo. I take you to immigration.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Okay, you say like this. You take a photo. Don't agree me.
No.
I'm bring to the court. Why you take me? Don't agree. I'm not agree you.
No, I'm explaining what
You
I
should
do-
stop it first.
what I solved, sir.
You stop this first.
Because if you are doing
If not
something
stop,
with
don't
me,
stop this. You are go. You
okay,
don't
sir.
stop.
Isa siya.
Okay.
I will take my clothes, sir. Wait.
Balis ka
You
na,
don't
te.
Why you say this? Take a photo. You don't talk to me.
I go now, sir. I go out now. I will take my
You
clothes.
stop this first. Haya, I'm not agree. You don't take me a photo.
Yan na mga kapenyo, kinuha na no, yung kanyang camera dito sa pangyayaring na to at talagang nakakaawa naman talaga ito nangyari kay ate at sana okay lang no etong si ate mga kapenyo. At kung kayo tatanungin ko mga kapenyo, no, ano nga masasabi nyo dito sa viral video ngayon na nangyari kay ate? Napakahirap po talaga maging isang OFW. Baka inaakala lang iba, masarap ang buhay sa ibang bansa. Hindi po mga kapenyo, no? Yung makapag-unwind lang, yung mga kapwa nating OFW makalabas minsan, talagang sulit na yon, masarap na yon. Pero pagdating na naman ng pasok, ng trabaho, talagang todo pagod na naman yung mga kapwa natin. Kung kayo tatanungin ko mga kapenyo, ano ang masasabi nyo dito sa mainit na viral video ngayon na nangyari kay ate? At sana okay lang siya mga kapenyo. Comment nyo na lang down below lahat ng mga opinion nyo mga kapenyo. At lahat po yan mga basa ko. Maraming salamat mga kapenyo. At kita-kita na tayo sa susunod kong reaction videos.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.